The thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout, and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be.
This is the early unboxing and first look at the upcoming Honor Magic 8 Pro, which is set to launch later this month. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. So let's jump right into the unboxing and see what this phone has to offer. All right, let's try pulling it out. Wow, this one's a little tough to take out. This Pro model is actually the only version available in this Cyan finish, which can be unlocked. And honestly, it looks really cool. Okay, time to check out the first look of this phone. Right away, I noticed the color, and to be honest, it kind of surprised me at first. Let's set the phone aside for now and quickly see what accessories are included in the box. For me, the most interesting part is the protective case. After checking it out, you can instantly get a sense of how the camera module is structured. And I have to say, I was impressed, because this transparent case actually comes with a textured finish. Now looking at the phone itself, the lens module immediately catches your eye. At first, I was a little confused when I saw it in person. It reminded me of the moonshadow gray color, which felt kind of odd. But what Honor has done here is mix a bit of cyan into the moonshadow gray, and that creates this brand new color scheme. Now about the fluorescent accents. It feels way more refined compared to the Magic 7 Pro. The transition between colors is smoother, and the overall grip feels more natural in the hand. But what happens once you put the case on? The borders become slightly straight, so the grip reminds me a bit of an old school candy bar phone. I'm already thinking I might need to buy another case for myself later. Let's check the weight now. With the case on, it weighs about 243 grams. After removing the case, the phone itself weighs 222.7 grams. Wait a second, that's exactly the same as the Honor Magic 7 Pro. I didn't quite believe it at first, so I grabbed my Magic 7 Pro and tested it immediately. Sure enough, the weight matched perfectly. That's honestly pretty surprising. Looking at the design more closely, you'll notice there's a multifunctional AI button on the side. The camera lenses are significantly larger now, and the edges feature a delicate carved texture. This big camera module really gives the phone a bold and powerful look. On the back, the texture feels slightly better than the Magic 7 Pro in my opinion. As for the curvature, it's definitely flatter compared to the 7 Pro, making it closer to a straight display. The front view of the phone also looks really sharp. From my quick hands-on experience, the grip is noticeably better than the 7 Pro. Even though it still has a flat frame, the connection to the back is more rounded, unlike the completely straight edges on the Magic 7 Pro. That said, because the curve is less pronounced, gesture operations don't feel as smooth as on the 7 Pro. Another thing you might not immediately notice, the Magic 8 Pro is slightly smaller than the 7 Pro overall, which makes it easier and more comfortable to hold. So to sum things up, in terms of design, not much has changed visually, but when it comes to ergonomics, Honor has definitely improved things this time. Both the grip and the overall hand feel are better refined. That's it for the unboxing and first impressions. We'll bring you a full in-depth review after the official launch, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our tech family for more updates.